Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your own stickers using your iPhone, and we can say using WhatsApp, Telegram, or even Viber. Now, first of all, I'm going to go with the WhatsApp. All right. Now choose a contact or a chat that you want to make the sticker and then sending it to him or them, we can say. All right. Now tap here. All right. And then we can have this little icon available here next to the camera icon, right? Tap on that one, right? And then, below we have three options, as you can see, right? Now tap on the first one from the right, right? And then you will have this icon available here where it says create, okay? Now tap on that one and choose a photo, right? If you don't see anything here, it means that you haven't like let WhatsApp have like access to the photos, all right? Otherwise, you can let it have, we can say, let the WhatsApp have the access to the photos. Now I'm gonna go with this one, and just like that, it's just like a matter of like a second, and then everything is ready, and then send. All right, and that's it. Now, in case you want to choose, or we say delete, right, this sticker which remains here, all right, as you can see, all right, just tap on it, right, again, right, next to the create icon available here, all right, you have the stickers that you have already made, all right. Now tap on it, okay, and then remove, and it's not available anymore there, all right. So it means that it is not saved anymore, right? Okay, now this was the first app shown to you how to make your own stickers. Now let's move to Telegram. All right, now I'm using saved messages, all right? So you're free to choose like a chat or a contact, all right? Tap here, right? And then next to, in the right, on the right, you have the mic, and then next to that one, right, you have this little icon for the stickers, okay? And in the bottom, all right, on the left, we have create sticker, right? Just tap on that one. Now I'm gonna go and choose this photo, right? And then tap on cut out an object, okay? This icon, right? Tap on that one, all right? And then tap on the object in the picture, which is the girl itself, right? Tap on it, right? As you can see now, it's ready, right? You have like some other options available here. Now, for example, you can add like a text, okay? Or even another sticker. So it's up to you. I mean, this is something else, right? Tap on this blue arrow, right? And then send sticker. And that's it. All right. Now let's move to the third one, which is Viber. All right. In Viber, again, I'm using my notes. Otherwise, feel free to use, you can use you can choose, we could say a contact or a chat. All right. Now tap, okay. And then tap on, this little icon, we can say emoji icon, right? Tap on that one. All right. And then tap on the plus icon, right? And the microphone, okay. Tap on that one. And then create sticker, the third option. Now, the next step is tap on the plus icon available here, all right, and then gallery, and choose a photo. Now I'm going to go with the cats again, all right, and then right under the photo, you have four options. Okay, tap on the first one from the left, which says magic wand. Tap on that one, and then tap on save sticker, right, before like closing it, right. Choose a name, all right, for the pack. So I'm just gonna go with this, all right, and making pack here. All right, as you can see now, it's ready. Okay, just tap on that one, and then it's sent. To that person, or we say my notes, right? Now, of course, there is another way. We can say making your own stickers and sending to, different, we say people using WhatsApp, Telegram, and even Viber. Now, you have to go to the photos, okay? and then choose a photo. All right, now for example, I've chosen this one. Okay, now tap until everything is gone. All right, from up and down. All right, and then tap on the object, okay, available in the picture, and drag it just like this. As you can see, it is extracted from the photo, right? And then get out of that photos and open WhatsApp, all right? And go to, even if you're not in like that chat or that contact, okay, open it just like that and then release it. After that, just tap on send, and as you can see now, the sticker is being made, all right, and sent to that person. All right. Thanks for watching.